Hello lovely people, you are welcome back to the channel. Families, there is new requirement here for Serbia. So if you are interested in this country, then kindly grab this opportunity. Workers needed for warehouse and factory jobs in Serbia. So if you are interested, and it is 6 months renewable work permit. It is 6 months renewable work permit. Processing duration is 6 weeks to 2 months. Processing duration 6 weeks to 2 months. Free accommodation provided. 1 meal per day provided. And here are the requirement documents: passport copy, curriculum vitae, 1 passport type, photo white background, 3 centimeters or 4 centimeters, school education certificate or whatever education qualification. Processing cost €2,500. Processing cost €2,500. And it does not cover the flights and biometrics. Yes, processing cost is €2,500 and it does not cover the flights and biometrics. And here are the payment plan. The payment will be made in 3 installments. So the first installment is €1,000. This amount is for the payment of the translation and legalization fees of the documents, plus the fee for obtaining the work permit in Serbia. The second installment is €1,000. This will be made after obtaining the work permit and other supporting documents from the General Inspectorate for Immigration in Serbia. The third installment will be made when obtaining the work visa, equals to €500 per person. Application open to both male and female applicants. So if you are here and if you are interested in this job or this job in Serbia, then kindly grab this opportunity. Alright. Salary is €550 per month. Please note that Serbia is an European country but not part of the Schengen zone. We all should be clear here. Serbia is an European country but not part of the Schengen zone. So this offer is from Christy. If you know you are ready, you have your money, you have your documents, and if you want to travel to Serbia to work with this one, I think it is good for those who want to travel with their partners. Like you have wife, you have husband, and you want to go with, I think this offer is very good for both. Yes, so if you are interested in this job, then kindly grab it. All right. Yes, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. It will take us far. You can also refer our channel to your friends to support us. That's what you can do to support our channel. You can also support our channel by joining our membership. Yes. I do appreciate for the support always. I am grateful. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Yes, let me keep on reminding all of us. I forgot, I'm sorry. Let me put Christine number here. So that is Christine number you are seeing on the screen. So sometimes most of you come back and ask me, why is Christine number? I always put the number last because I want to put all the information, and if you listen to it and if you are interested, you now take the number and chat. So that is why I always put the number at last, and my videos are not long. The longest one I think 6 minutes, 5 minutes, 4 minutes, you see. So I think we all should take our time, watch, understand, then we go ahead if only we are interested in the job. If I've watched, I really appreciate. See you guys in the next video. Bye for now.